व्यूवर, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कंप्यूटर के हवाले से डाटा रिप्रेजेंटेशंस फॉर्म्स। डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी सेंट ओवर थ्रू ए कम्युनिकेशन चैनल। इट इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग text and numbers. Text and number are sequence of bits 0s or 1s. They are represented by a set of bit patterns called code. The code is sent over the communication channel from a sender to receiver. Image. Image are also characterized by special bit pattern. It is comprised of matrix of pixels, pictures, elements. The size of image is larger than that of text and number. Therefore, data transmission speed is important for reliable and fast delivery. Image. Audio and video. Audio refer to the recording or broadcasting of the music or sound, and video refer to the recording or broadcasting a movie or a picture. Both are also sent over the communication system. Data transmission modes. There are three modes of data communication: simplex, half duplex, or full duplex. Simplex mode. In a simplex connection, the data flows only in the one direction from the source to the destination. This type of transmission is used when data do not needed to flow in both directions. For example, the instruction flow from your keyboard to CPU and from CPU to printer. Another important example is television or radio transmission. Half duplex. In half duplex, the data flow in both directions but one at the same time. It means that data can be either sent or received in turn-wise. If a device is receiving data, then it cannot send by data at the receiving time. Wikipedia, walkie-talkie is an example of a half duplex where a user adds his transmission with the announcement of over to prevent overlap and facilitate other to talk. Suffering and internet is also an example of half duplex as a silent issue is a request for a web document or receiver send and documents before the silent issue another request. Full duplex. In full duplex, the data flows in both direction at the same time. Each node can thus transmit and receive the data simultaneously. Telephone are the common example of full duplex device. They allow both users to hear each other and talk at the same time. आगे है डाटा ट्रांसमिशन स्पीड. Data transmission speed is measured in bandwidth. It is a measure of the amount of data transferred through a network over a given amount of time. It is also called data transfer rate or bow and expressed and in bits per second. A bits is the unit of information that is stored and processed by computer. It is either or one a data transmission speed of 100 baud means 100 bit are transferred in 1 unit of time. All transmitted signals have a certain bandwidth as do receiving data transmission for आज तक इतना नेक्स्ट वीडियो